Bro, Ike, what the heck are you watching? Don't watch that, that's weird. Bro, I need holy water, Ike.
I don't watch that.
See, I told you. He threw the spray on you, Ike.
Shut up, you look like a dumb thing, looks like a bomb, you looks like a bomb.
Okay then, now I just have to leave.
I thought you didn't watch that.
Bro, this kid's gonna say something.
Guys, Izigo, Stephanie emoji he. You watch this? That's weird. Yeah, guys. Grab her, I'm not watching that. Boo, her? Nah, bro, I'm not. But if you watch this, like that one, under 18? Nah, bro, what's it? Oi, they're the man here. Nah, bro, I'm out.